is the second full body day of the week. But today our intervals are going to be 5 minutes on, 2 minutes off. And we're going to alternate between 2 different exercises within that 5 minutes. So not only are we going to train our entire body in less than an hour, but we're going to burn a ton of fat today. So this is my 7th superset, so I'm gonna need your help, so follow along with me. But we're gonna go between triceps, we're gonna do about 10, 12 reps, and then we're gonna do biceps. And we're gonna do 4 sets of that superset. So it's gonna take a lot, but we're gonna get it done. And if you like this content, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. And any questions you have, please leave them in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer those for you. Thanks so much.